It doesn't come from the bark, it doesn't come from the root, it comes from the flower, and it blocks one of the most destructive inflammatory pathways in the human body. Most people hear moringa and think leaves, powders, capsules, but the most overlooked part of the plant, the one carrying some of its strongest anti-inflammatory chemistry, is the flower. Quiet, delicate, fragrant, yet behind that softness is a biochemical profile powerful enough to interfere with NF-kappa B, the master switch of inflammation. NF-kappa B is the pathway the body uses to drive swelling, irritation, tissue heat, redness, joint stiffness, and chronic inflammatory cascades. When NF-kappa B stays active too long, it becomes the root driver of pain, metabolic dysfunction, skin flare-ups, even accelerated aging of tissues. And this is exactly where moringa flowers step in. Lab studies show that extracts of the flower, not the leaf, not the seed, suppress the movement of NF-QB into the nucleus of immune cells. That single step matters. If NF-QB never reaches the nucleus, it can't order the body to produce the chemicals that inflame your tissues. Within minutes, moringa flower compounds begin lowering TNF-alpha, IL-1-beta, and IL-6, the inflammatory messengers that create burning joints, irritated skin, and that deep internal swelling you can feel but can't describe. They go even further. Moringa flowers inhibit COX-2 and INOS, cutting down the production of nitric oxide and prostaglandins, two molecules that amplify pain and make inflamed tissue feel hot, tight, and tender. This isn't surface-level relief, it's biochemical interruption. In animal models, moringa flower extracts reduce swelling with the same clarity and intensity as pharmaceutical anti-inflammatories, without the tissue stress those drugs can create. Paw edema drops. Heat response drops. The inflammatory wave calms down from the inside out. And here's what makes the flower so unique. It works across multiple fractions. The water extract, the ethanol extract, even the hexane fraction. Different compounds, same direction, downshifting inflammation at its root. Flavonoids like quercetin and camphorol help shut down reactive oxygen species before they can trigger inflammatory alarms. Phenolic acids like chlorogenic acid stabilize cell membranes and reduce oxidative damage. And the volatile compounds,